When you are out on the water, having a clear view of what is happening beneath the surface changes everything. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7SV is designed to take the guesswork out of finding fish with its bright and sharp 7-inch color display. The screen is large enough to see clearly even in direct sunlight, and the high-contrast color palettes make it incredibly easy to distinguish fish from structure. One of the standout features is how this unit combines different types of sonar technology. You get traditional CHIRP sonar, which is great for seeing arches and tracking fish movement, alongside ClearVu and SideVu scanning sonars. These scanning views provide an almost photographic look at what is lurking below and to the sides of your boat, helping you identify logs, rocks, or weed beds where fish like to hide. Using the device is straightforward because the interface is clean and uncomplicated. You do not have to dig through endless menus to change your settings or switch between views. The included transducer is a total workhorse, and the setup is designed to be user-friendly, so you can spend more time fishing and less time rigging. Beyond just seeing fish, this unit includes a high-sensitivity GPS, which is a major advantage for any angler. It allows you to mark your favorite fishing spots, boat ramps, or structure waypoints with precision, so you can always find your way back to where the action was. It also features Quickdraw Contours, a handy tool that lets you create your own detailed fishing maps with 1-foot contours while you move across the water. The whole system feels robust and reliable, which is exactly what you need when you are focused on the water. It provides a level of situational awareness that makes you feel much more confident about where you are casting. Whether you are navigating a new lake or checking out a familiar spot, having this much visual information right at your fingertips makes for a much more productive and enjoyable time on the water.